Dear student, today the Bible study center of the body mass. Center of mass, it is single point. Center of mass the body, it is single point at which total mass of the body. Your system, imagine, to be constructed and all the applied force act at the body that point. Center almost equally single point है जैसे सभी सिस्टम जो बॉडी जो मास जो ऐड करें and the point is if we exert the force that cause the body translational motion on the applied force when the single point system के body के move करे रहे वाहे स्ट्रलाइन में move करे through translational the body motion and we produce करे रहे वाहे force छाप produce कर दो linear distance but no rotation माना चाहे भी यहाँ पे चाहे no angular देखा है distance center of mass, it is single point. It is one point जितने सभी system सभी body जो mass दिखाई add करें उन point पे if we exert the force and you apply force उन point पे system भी move करे रहे वाले केमी translational and cause the body no progress. Force है लाजमी है छाप produce करो along the direction of applied force. What is direction of linear pressure? It is direction of applied force. What is central mass? Central dilar. Now we consider simple geometry example. Clear rod and the length of 10 meter and when they ask the now two equal masses are connected and say each of us requires 1 kg. And what is the center of the two particles in the rod? Now in the case of equal masses now to the center of rod. You say it is center of rod. Can you say it is center of rod? rod as the unequal masses are say 1 kg. Other it come 5 kg. And length of rod is 10 meter. High equal masses now you study. You said what is the center of mass requirement? What is the midpoint? Single point. And in the point we exert the force. You apply force that move the system. That the rod can be in straight line. And it causes the translational motion. Science development point. If you exert force at any point, you apply force does not move the system requires straight line. It causes rotation. It causes rotation. The center और मास माना वह पॉइंट जिसे अपलाइड फोर्स दिखाए सिस्टम की बॉडी की मूव करे रहे वाली लाइन प्रोड्यूस करे रहे वाली हमारी ट्रांसलेशनल दिखाई फोर्स है फोर्स आई प्रोड्यूस करे रहे वाला सिस्टम में लीनियर but require no rotation. In the case of the rod, say 10 meter and the as they are the equal masses, in the case now you say the what is a midpoint. You will find that who will exert the force and that will divide the body in a straight line. So I will find it. कितने भी तो force exert करो, it can't require. And in the equal masses, then we use that require center of rod. But here, among the unequal degree masses are. Can you say it is a midpoint in the case of unequal masses? No. Unequal masses mean जगह midpoint देता हूँ force exert करना on the applied force does not move the system in the equal straight line. It causes on the rotation. हाँ यहाँ point है center of mass. Your point now we study. Can we understand by the quality reference point? By the quality origin point. We look at, we consider reference point to study the center of mass. Center of mass is study consider. We consider, we look at reference point, origin point. I can't take a look at you on the particle, you're at any point in the quiet system. And outside you look at the Samutra. But her case me on the center of mass system is another center of mass her case me center. And now we consider, we look at reference point at the particle F1. Reference point, origin point, a point at which two lines mutually intersect at angle of 90. And find the coordinate between now you see the quality 0. Origin point, a reference point. Two dimension, a point at which two lines intersect mutually at angle of 90 with each other. Whenever we consider, we look at reference point and reference point की locate करना को तो हर particle की steady कैसे होता हर particle की position की तो मेजर कैसे होता according to quality reference point we have जो particle say the M2 it is pointing along x-axis ये direction में है बिना reference point can you define the position of particle in the system? No, it is impossible. When we consider, when we look at reference point in a body, in a system, तो हर particle की position की study कैसे होता है? We have an example as simple that is required one dimension means I study कर रहा हूँ और center of mass along any x-axis. And system is along particle consider that two particles. And in the particle you know we study the center of mass. Center of mass along x-axis. M1, x1 plus M2, x2 divided by A1 plus M2. What is M1? Mass. 1 cube. And X1 equal it is a position on A1 with respect to reference point. You consider, you look at reference point on the particle M1 into coordinate x में घणो आहे 0. What is x1 mana position can be M1 with respect to the origin, with respect to the reference point. According to the reference point, what is the x1? Now it is 0. Why is 0? Because we consider, we locate reference point required on A1. Change our coordinate sign 0, 0. And A2 remains 1. Honey, what is x2 position? Can be M2. What is the position on M2 with respect to the origin point? You see it is 10 meter. He on the M2 origin का अगर along axis में कितने distance है? हर particle की static according to some reference point. What is the x2? 10. M1 plus M2 1 A1 to 0. Enter. And then keep it on divide to 0. 5. Now it is your dividing midpoint. It is found. You study midpoint by dividing reference point. You consider, you look at reference point here. Consider to say on particle equality and 1. According to the reference point on the L2, it is acting along x-axis. Simple example. Tell me 1 times if xc, yc, and zc are the coordinates of center of system of air particles and center of mass along x-axis में on the formula system में on the air particle है इनमें static particle on the सभी हमारे air number of particles sign into center of mass जेकर air particle हमारा according to the reference point on the x में behind, y में behind, z में behind, वो लंबा से center of mass along x-axis. General formula M1 x1 plus M2 x2 up to the body Mn x n. I divided by the body total mass. Yc center of mass around y-axis में M1 y1 plus M2 y2 up to the body Mn yn and divided by total mass. Zc M1 z1 plus M2 z2 up to the body Mn zn divided by the body total mass.